Hello grade 7 learners and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pala sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe at hit mo na yung post notification bell para updated ka every time na magpo-post ako ng bagong video. So, I already uploaded yung video kung paano mag-add ng polynomials. So, ngayon naman ay magsusubtract tayo ng polynomials. So, somehow, same lang sila ng steps or ng rules sa pag-a-add ng polynomials, kaya lang meron lang ilang changes. Since subtraction, probably maapektuhan lahat ng sign ng ating pangalawang polynomials, which is in subtraction. Ito yung tinatawag nating subtrahend. Ito yung sinusubtract natin. So we have here the minuend and then we have here the subtrahend, tapos kukuhanin natin yung difference or the answer in subtraction. Again, i-review lang natin yung steps sa pag-a-add ng polynomials. So, una, kailangan natin ma-identify yung mga like terms. Pangalawa, i-group natin siya and we're going to align it vertically kasi mas convenience. And then pangatlo, we are going to add and then finalize our answer. So, ang gagawin lang, so we have here copy. And then, we need to copy the minuend. And then, we need to change the operation from subtraction magiging addition. And then, we need to change all the signs of these subtrahend. Kasi nga, negative times negative is positive, negative times positive is negative, and positive times negative is negative. So, ngayon ay i-identify muna natin yung ating mga similar terms katulad ng ginagawa natin sa addition. So, this will be our first polynomial and this will be our second polynomial. And then, kailangan kukuhanin natin yung pinakamataas na degree. So, doon tayo mag-start. So, which is cube. So, we have here 5x cubed. So, kasimilar niya dito ay 8x cubed. And then, we have here negative 7x squared. So, dito naman sa kabila ay positive 2x squared. So, we have here positive 3x. And then, we have here positive 3x. And then, we have here negative 4. And then, we have here negative 7. So, ito ay subtraction. So, ngayon, kapag tayo ay nag-subtract, so we need to change all the sign para mag-proceed tayo sa addition. So, kokopyahin lang natin itong subtrahend natin. So, yung ating minuend, 5x cubed minus 7x squared plus 3x minus 4. And then, magiging addition na siya. We need to change all the sign lang. So, positive 8x cubed magiging negative 8x cubed. And then, positive magiging negative 2x squared. And then, positive magiging negative. Negative, so negative times negative magiging positive 7. And then, magpaproceed na tayo sa addition. So, 5 minus 8. So, we have here negative 3. Then, kopyahin lang natin yung x cubed. Then, negative 7 minus 2. So, like sign add. So, we have here negative 9. Then, x squared. Positive 3x minus 3x. Cancel na natin. Then, negative 4 plus 7 is positive 3. So, therefore, the difference is ito. So, we have here negative 3x cubed minus 9x squared plus 3. So, let's have another example. 2x squared y minus 5xy plus 3y squared minus so let's have another example. 2x squared y minus 5xy plus 3y squared minus 7xy minus 6y squared plus 5x squared y. Again, so just follow the same steps as what we did on our first example. So we have here first equation, first polynomial and second polynomial. So we will be starting with the highest degree. So 2x squared y. So dito tayo mag-start sa x squared. So we have here 2x squared y. At ito yung kanyang like term. So 5x squared y. So this is minus. And then we have here xy. So negative 5xy. And then we have here positive 7xy. And then we have here 3y squared, positive 3y squared. And we have here negative 6y squared. And then we just copy the minuend, 2x squared y minus 5xy plus 3y squared. And then we need to change all the signs. So from positive, it will become negative 5x squared y. Positive 7xy magiging negative 7xy. And then from negative, magiging positive 6y squared. And then add. So 2 minus 5, we have here negative 3x squared y. So negative 5 minus 7, we have here negative 12xy. And 3 plus 6, we have here 9y squared. So this will be our answer. So we have here negative 3x squared y minus 12xy plus 9y squared. So let's have another example. So we have here our example 3. So 9x to the 5th minus 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 7x cubed minus 6x to the 5th plus 2x squared. Okay, so this will be our first polynomial and second polynomial. So the highest degree is 5. So we will be starting with 9x to the 5th. Ang kanyang kalike term ay negative 6x to the 5th. So we have here minus. And then to the 4th, wala. So cube. So we have negative 6x cubed. And then we have here 7x cubed. Positive. And then we have here 7x squared. And positive 2x squared. So we just copy our minuend, 9x to the 5th minus 6x cubed plus 7x squared. And then we need to change all the sign of our subtrahend. So from negative 6x to the 5th, it will become 6x to the 5th. And then positive 7x cubed, it will become negative 7x cubed. From positive, it will become negative 2x squared. Add 9 plus 6 is equal to 15x to the 5th. Negative 6 and negative 7, we have here negative 13x cubed. Positive 7 minus 2, or 7 minus 2 is positive 5x squared. So therefore, the difference is 15x to the 5th minus 13x cubed plus 5x squared. So that concludes our lesson for today about subtraction of polynomials. So I hope that you learned something today. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and classmates. And see you on our next video lesson. Thank you for watching.